No, please listen. You have to listen. No, don't interrupt. No, listen to. You listen to the
This
business.
profession is separate, sir. Honorable Defense Minister should not refer to his profession.
No, you.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ सुनो ना. मैं उनका I am actually praising him.
No, Minister.
You don't want him to be
No,
praised.
you address the chair. Honorable Minister, address the chair. Don't look at them. Address the
He is
chair and say what
Very
you
good
want.
lawyer, and he put up the case very strongly, so strongly that for quite some time, even I was getting convinced by his argument. Probably I now understand how convincing he is. Lekin sir, many times it so happens that if the
No comments, please. No comments. Please
if the
listen.
brief is very weak, even a best advocate can't win the case. While I was listening to him, I remembered a story which I had read in my childhood about between Badshah and Birbal, Akbar and Birbal. One day it happened that something like a golden spoon was stolen from Badshah's Mahal, and he didn't want it to be given to the criminal investigation that time because that would put him in very embarrassing situation. So he called Birbal and told him that someone has stolen golden spoon from my cutlery. What do I do? Birbal told him, I'll find a solution. Get all the servants. He got all the servants and gave them 1 feet long piece of bamboo and told them that this is a magic bamboo. You take it home. जिसने चोरी किया है उसका 4 इंच बढ़ेगा. सुबह तक जिसने चोरी किया है उसका bamboo piece will grow by 4 inches. It's a magical bamboo piece. Everyone believed Birbal. They went home. The one who had stolen the golden spoon, he was worried man. He could not sleep up to 2 o'clock. Then he got an idea suddenly. He got up at 2 o'clock, brought a knife and cut his bamboo by 4 inch. Expecting it to grow by 12 inches again next day morning. Next day morning, of course, he got caught. What I find in their argument is they have cut all their bamboos by 4 inches. Sir, I am placing here below the statement of facts of the case in details a litany of omissions and commissions at various stages of decision-making process indicate malafide and corrupt actions driven by the goal to favor a particular vendor. This has been recognized by the Italian court in their judgment. At the outset, it may be useful to highlight to honorable members some of the salient issues.
शर्मा जी, अंडर what rule? ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है सर. सर, what is going on? आपके लीडर्स बोले किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. ये क्या तरीका? Every time you are disturbing.
Let him reply.
No, शर्मा जी, what is the point of it? Under what rule?
He said he will
Be
indicate.
authenticated.
He said that already.
Don't take offense.
He already said that. Whatever he...
No,
I will
certified
send
you-
copy. Don't you shout. Certified
No,
copy
you
of the
always-
judgment must be placed.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's all right. Sit here.
He agreed to that. He will do
Creation of a single vendor scenario at various stages from March 2005 onwards, and despite specific direction to the contrary, OR operational requirements and SQRs were set, amended, and processes influenced to make AWIL the only alternative. Violation of accepted norms of procurement processes, unusually large number of deviation approved, counterparty to supply agreements, and exceptional dilution of FED standard. Yes, I will be दे दूंगा.
No, please.
suspect
That is his
benchmarking
prepared
of procurement costs,
It is a,
which
Sit down.
may have led to acceptance
That
of
is-
materially
What
overpriced
are you doing?
supply agreements.
no, please sit
Delayed
down.
response.
Please sit down, sit down.
About the deal. It took a year.
Jairam
and an
Ramesh, sit down. What do you
arrest by
want?
Italian
That
authorities.
is his speech.
For,
He is not quoting, he said it
for
is his
then
speech.
Indian authorities to ask
is
the
his speech.
CBI to
Yes, sit
investigate.
down.
Cancellation of
That is his speech. Sit
deal
down.
spurred by actions of suppliers. The deal was cancelled by the government of India under advice from AG,
It is
not
his
as a
speech.
suo moto action,
It is his
but in
speech.
response to the vendor seeking the appointment of an arbitrator. Delay in action against the supplier group. From the first media report in February 2012, the approval to cancel all dealings with the group was given more than 2 years later on the eve of change in government. In fact, the final order
Now please, listen to
was
this.
given by the present government.
That is his speech, you listen to that. No, it is on record, he is speaking, what do you want? Yeah, what are you asking? Please no, no you please proceed. Please proceed.
It also significant to note that the judgment of the Indian court, Italian court,
Anand Sharma-
which spurred action from government
See,
of India
Anand Sharma-
was
Anand Sharma, you are minister, and when you are minister, did you not read after preparation? A minister can do that. He is doing only that. What are you doing? He is not quoting.
spurred action from government
He is
of
not
India
quoting.
was based inter alia on the CAG report from India.
He is not quoting. He is reading his speech.
Fifth,
सर इनको सच का सामना करना नहीं है, सच्चाई सुनना नहीं चाह रहे हैं।
See,
ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है।
Anand Sharma,
आपको
what is the
सच्चाई सुननी
problem?
पड़ेगी। सच का इसका मतलब आप सुनना नहीं चाहते, आप कुछ गड़बड़ है।
sit down please.
क्यों नहीं आप सुन रहे
You
हैं?
sit down. Anand
ये
Sharma,
तरीका ठीक नहीं है।
you
शर्मा जी।
listen to me. I will hear you.
सुनिए भैया,
No,
अभी
but
आपने सुनाया
I will
है,
hear you.
सुनिए।
No, please. No, please. I will hear you, but listen. I will give you time. Sit down, but listen. But the fundamental, see, see, listen. Now, the fundamental thing is that a minister, now please, minister has every right to prepare a speech and read it out. Whatever he says, he is responsible. He is responsible. Then why do you worry? What is,
Now hear me. I will sit down. Now you hear me. Now you hear me.
yeah.
Now you hear me.
What is that?
Sir, what I am not objecting to, the right of the Honorable Minister to read. I will hear him with all respect.
Yeah, then what is your problem?
Sir, what the Minister has said contradicts his statement to the Parliament. He has said 2
No.
years.
So you
and
can-
this reply which I am quoting.
Now you can, in that case,
This is his
no,
reply.
move
no.
for a bridge of
So
So
privilege.
if
he
the
is
min-
making a false
if the minister is
statement.
no, if the minister is no, if the minister is misleading the house, you have the rule book. You have the rule book. Invoke the necessary rule.
Contradict
No.
himself.
No, Anand Sharma.
This
No,
cannot be
please. It is not going on record.
What is
Anand Sharma, it is wrong.
What is happening? Deputy
I am not allowing Anand Sharma to speak. Yes.
Mr. A.K. Antony, Honorable A.K.
Yeah.
Antony just now read from the
Yeah.
papers.
Yeah,
But
correct.
now-
Correct.
What is Anu
If
Sharma
I
saying?
permitted, he can do that. Minister
You
can
don't want
always
the people
do.
to come out?
Anand Sharma,
You want to disturb the house?
no,
You don't want to
Anand
hear the
Sharma,
truth?
please. Anand Sharma, please. If the minister is misleading, you can invoke the rule. Not now. Now you listen. क्या है?
They are ratted by the
Sharad
truth.
Yadav ji.
They are ratted by the truth. Because truth is unfireable, unfireable. They are scared of the truth.
Sharad Yadav ji.
I'm laying it on the table.
सर मैं
I'm
आपसे
laying it
विनती
also on the
करना
table of the
आपके
house.
माध्यम से सभी मित्रों से इधर कहना चाहता हूँ चाहता हूँ मंत्री दे रहा बयान तो हम
You have to listen to the minister.
लेकिन ये सदन शांति से चल रहा था इसे शांति से चलना चाहिए
चलना चाहिए।
इसे शांति से चलना चाहिए
Now, You see,
रवि जी अपने सदस्यों को कहिए हम
now
बात कर रहे हैं
listen,
आपकी
no, no,
ये
listen,
ठीक से
this side,
उसको चलने दीजिए
yeah, Sharad Yadav, this side has made all your speeches. It was heard by the House. You have a responsibility to hear the minister also. Please do that. Minister, please. Minister, you address the chair. Don't look at them, address the chair. Yeah. Minister can always read a speech. Minister can always read a speech. No need of speech being authenticated. That is his speech.
On 6th August 1999,
That is his
Indian Air
speech.
Force
Yes,
proposed
everybody is responsible.
of-
He has to do that, please.
Mi-8 VIP helicopters due to various constraints imposed by Mi-8 limitations. A global RFP was issued to 11 vendors on 20th March 2002. The technical evaluation, I can give you by heart, everything like that only. The technical evaluation committee shortlisted 3 vendors, Mi-172, EC-225, EH-101. The flight evaluation of EH-101 could not be done as the helicopter was not certified for an altitude of 6,000 meters. There was a mention that this did not participate. They did participate, but it was not certified for 6,000 meters as a mandatory operational requirement. The EH-101 helicopter was later renamed AW-101 of Augusta Westland. After flight evaluation, only EC-225 was found suitable for acquisition as it had met all mandatory operational requirements. PMO in December 2003, I am confirming that, observed that the framing of mandatory OR has effectively led to acquisition into a single vendor situation. It was inter alia considered to make the operational altitude of 4,500 meters as mandatory and a higher flying ceiling of 6,000 meters and cabin height of 1.8 meters as desirable operational requirement. Desirable. Year 2005 onwards, a series of measures were taken by then government which resulted in eventual acquisition of AW helicopter. These steps constituted a subject matter of stringent criticism by the Controller Auditor General of India. And tragically, the motives behind these decisions are today being doubted by entire nation. As I said in my opening remarks, the fact that there was a corruption in the matter is brought out in extensive details. Anthony himself said that there is a corruption. Is brought out in extensive details in recent judgments of Milan High Court. It dominates our public discourse. Sadly, it has also dented country's image and then standing in the world. The country wants to know as to who instigated, who supported, and who benefited from the corruption. We cannot let this pass. On 1st March 2005, a meeting was chaired by National Security Advisor. 1st March 2005, NSA, this is during UPA 1, PMO wherein it was inter alia agreed that the OR should broadly conform to the parameters of Mi-8 helicopters. It was also agreed that Defense Secretary would take a meeting with participation of Air Force, SPG and Secretary Security to draw up the operational specifications and the single vendor situation should be avoided. The OR were accordingly finalized in a meeting chaired by Defense Secretary on 9th of May 2005. The cabin height of 1.8 meters was made mandatory in the revised service quality requirement.